Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans at TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by Upracha.
Stibo.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm not.
Your thoughts about the game?
I mean, I can talk your way. Yeah.
You know, I said it today. Not today. Zobuza yenu game melinja.
I'm going to expose you.
Yeah. Stibo, it came belimnandi.
Sure.
You know why I started coming from to Orlando?
Yes.
I used to have a headache. Lana kubhlungu angithi yabo sesigugile, you know. So when you are old, all these diseases will come and play soccer with you. So ever since attend la. I am a pain avail.
Migraine.
The headache is gone. The migraine is gone.
Attention.
I'm writing. Mangpuma lang jabuli.
Why?
And then there's a place called Heaven.
Yes.
You know a place called Heaven?
Izulu.
Yeah. Hilo leli.
It's called Izulu.
Mina, I thought ukuthi bathi le phezulu. Mara after attending here, I realized
this is the place.
Lana Steve. Wangenile wonke umuntu uphuma happy. Ubo interview enye uthi Chiefs la.
Sure.
Uyibonile ukuthi bejabule njani.
He was very happy.
He feels like he's a Pirates fan.
Yes.
But he's a Chiefs fan.
He's more happy.
He's more happier than
FNB.
Ngoba uyazi ukuthi kusasa kungenzeka noma yini lapha yana. Kungenzeka noma yini. So Stibo Tina were happy. We are not even going to complain.
Yes.
Remember last season, around this time when we were playing this cup,
sure,
we were knocked out by Makesi.
Sure.
I think we were beaten 3-2. So we felt like maybe this is not our cup. But today, Siwelele made a mistake.
Yes.
We won this game. And I can tell you, once you allow Pirates to win one game of any competition, you are in trouble. Because it means we have taken this thing. We're just going to play 3 games, and then this thing is in a cabinet. And you know when I speak, it's going to happen. Remember I told you about the MTN 8?
Yes.
Ngathi first leg, njengoba sila. Ngathi siyobaqedela ePretoria.
Yes.
And then sithathile. Embombela sesiyaya kuphela. I said it. Iqala. And people were saying, this one is a clown.
Yes.
How will
beat Sundowns?
How will they beat Sundowns?
Yes.
And I said, Sundowns this season is beatable. And we're not clowning. It's happening. We're not blaming them. We don't know what is happening there.
But we should.
And it's not our issue. But now we have said it, that is beatable. Even Lagu League, they must forget.
This season.
True. Leyanto ye Operation Fatales. Ikubhakaniya manje.
This season.
Wonke domestically lama cup akekho ozosimela. Social wobani. Tell us who's going to beat us. Yabona bengithi ngiyaku-interview bengifuna ama question anjalo ukuthi okay, tell us ke Stibo wena in your own analysis, who do you think will beat Pirates? No one Stibo bazokhuluma nje emakhoneni angeke benze lutho. So Stibo was saying nalabo baba laba abashawa bomama ezindlini la bangasabiza amaphoyisa, they must just come to Orlando. Then mababuya ba happy
baze no mama
baze noma ngeze ayi-1 ukwenzela ukuthi abuyele endlini umama mbone ajabulile ebusweni azibuza ukuthi hawu lento ngibambe ngama right aid ekuseni ibuye ijabulile kwenzakalani. So they must come here. I can tell you it's our heaven, Steve. Tina when we are here Masphuma satisfied. You can see
it's always good vibe.
Was smiling.
Always nice time.
Masibuya la siyozibambela into zethu ezimnandi si right. Yabona? So Stibo siyambonga umbokazi. That was a cracker goal.
Angibona kanje live.
Indaba kaMbokazi ngayisho is recorded, it's here. My views about that boy are recorded. They are here. Mina I've said it ukuthi it's one of the
best.
You know, the best that we have unearthed after a very long time, particularly as a defender.
Sure.
A person that will even take shots. Yeah, and you saw i-goalkeeper evele yama. Ngekasi language we call it stand and cake.
Yeah.
So yeah, mawubheke awukhona ukwenza nix.
Now usithola.
Yeah, uzithola ubambekile, it's a stand and cake.
Yeah.
So Sthibo badlale kahle. You can see ukuthi isiwelele i-aim bekuthi maybe let's sit at the back, absorb the pressure,
Yes.
suffer,
Yeah.
maybe take the game to extra time,
Yeah.
gamble with penalties.
Yeah.
I was a bit worried mighty 80 ngithi hey ngithi manje kuzoba nenkinga, but I knew that they are not going to match us.
Yes.
Both on the field and on the bench.
Yeah.
I know ukuthi siphethe depth bengazi ukuthi bengeke basenze lutho.
Uhlala ukora late.
Angihlala ngikora late angithi ngifuna ukhathale uzozitshela ukuthi ngathi ngiyawina
Yeah.
ngikubambe ngama right egcineni
Then
then uvuke phansi mawuthi ubheka la ngoba ngibonele la goal malicethe ukungena mangibheka ngibona ithi 90 minutes ngithi sibaqedile ngibona uLhlonono siyema sibheke so uyambona ukuthi maka ngabamba lama play ePirates
Awashanga
ama right kwatile
ukubona ukuthi this guy is our former captain lapha vela understand ukuthi this is home for him now.
No, he knows.
No, but the pain,
He knows.
the pain will land.
Yeah, ipain ibhlungu ngithi.
Yeah.
Mara ke more than anything,
Yeah.
siyazi ukuthi kunabantu ebebasushela ukuthi siluze.
Yeah. Can you name them?
No, you know I'm not good ngama name dropping.
Yeah,
Yabo? I'm not good ngama name dropping.
Sure.
Ziningi izinto ezenzeka ku show yakho.
Yeah.
Abantu basho amagama abantu so mina ngamagama angikho right.
You keep it class.
Yeah, ngi gentleman. Ngifuna izinto zishaye zabele phansi.
Ubonakala ngebhathi
Yeah, no. Angithi angifuni ukuthi hey ibhathu yenza bungaki mina I don't want prices.
Ngiyabona.
Ngoba angifuni abantu bafeint.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to talk about the prices of what you know. Hey, I don't play that game.
Ngiyakuthola.
Mawuquleka
Yeah.
bazothi yini.
Yeah.
So angifunda yini.
Yeah. Ngomele ngiphile iole.
Yeah, mele ngibe safe Steve.
Yeah.
Mina
But you're a man of class, I can tell.
No, but you know Steve, I'm always here.
Yeah.
And I mean I don't brag ukuthi hey, I don't do what mina ngi gentleman. Ubaba nje umuzi but akabuye emakhaya ukuzalele ekhasi
Sure.
so izinto yazazi
Uphuma baphi utsha?
angila eVal ezone 14 yeah mina I come from the Val ezone 14 yeah so and lapha yana ngithi mabakhuluma bathi 18 moying
Yeah.
futhi bakhuluma ngempahla yodwa
Sure.
so mawugqokile ubhekile ngikubhekile ukuthi hey letsotsi le
Ayazi nini?
khuluma into engayazi
Thimeni kopithayela amagcina leyikwala. Ay.
ichivenchi Steve
Yo, ichivanchile.
ichivenchi Steve yes Juventus Steve Mara we're not going to claim today check every time
Yeah.
sigqoke kanzima
Asibonge pucha.
sibongeni asibonge
Athandi Rodman.